Hey, do you have some basketball poles that are stuck together because you installed them incorrectly or they're seized? I did. So here's a hack that I found that will help you get them separated. Stick around to get unstuck. So I bought a basketball hoop the other day for my kids and was going to install it yesterday, and I wasn't paying attention to the instructions, and when you try to put the pole together, you have to seat them, which means wedging one pole on top of the other. And then I realized I wasn't paying attention and I had done one and it was 90 degrees off and I had to try to separate it. If you've ever tried to do that, that can be a real pain. So when you realize you've done something wrong, it can be pretty deflating, and it was pretty stressful because I couldn't get those poles separated again. So I looked online and it said contact the manufacturer, and I didn't really want to do that. Then I saw some other solutions that said use a ratchet set and pull them apart. And then I saw another one that said use a mallet and a wedge. And I thought, oh, what have I gotten myself into? So then I was searching on a forum and I came across this, and it worked like a charm. If you end up finding this video useful or you like it, please consider giving it a thumbs up or a comment or sharing it, or even better, try subscribing to my channel so that you get future hacks for phys ed teachers in the future. Thanks.
So one of the earliest steps in setting up a basketball hoop is setting up the pole, and it requires you to take the top pole and seat it on a lower pole and basically ramming it down onto a piece of wood so it seats properly. That's where it all went wrong, because I did it at not the right angle, and so I had to try to get these two apart. So I was pretty skeptical about this actually working, but here's the process and it worked. I grabbed some WD-40 and I sprayed some WD-40 on the connector. And I did that all the way around. And because I didn't believe it was actually going to move, I took chalk and I made a chalk line where the joints were connected. Then I simply took the pipe, take it about waist height, just drop it on the grass. And it took a couple of times, but eventually you can start to hear it moving a bit. And there you go, it's already separated. Saved all kinds of hassle, saved a lot of stress. I hope this helps you. Good luck with your hoop. Happy shooting.
In all honesty, as a disclaimer, the second time that I just did it there, I didn't jam it on too hard because I was a little bit nervous it was going to really get stuck. But the first time I did it, it probably took about 30 drops before it became unseated and came apart, but still, it was well worth it. I hope this video was useful for anybody that may have been stuck in the same predicament that I was. For phys ed teachers, you might have poles at school that have seized together and they need to be separated, and this might be a hack that'll help you get that done. This is also my first PE hack video, so I've got lots of tricks and tips that I've kind of picked up over the years of teaching that help you maintain equipment or solve little problems that you might have in the gym. So if that's of interest to you, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any in the future. Thanks.